In this 21st century, farmers are increasingly under pressure to feed more people as the world population is increasing. Youths are turning away from the agricultural profession, thus, the availability of the human resource is becoming less. Robot technique can make the farming occupation an exciting high-tech profession, and this may attract the people into the agricultural profession and also bring back the people who left this profession. Normally, agricultural robot can perform the basic elementary functions like picking the fruits or vegetables, harvesting, weeding, etc. But in this project, we concentrated only on the disease detection and the spraying mechanism. Disease on plants leads to significant reduction in both quality and quantity of the agricultural products. Monitoring of a diseased plant is an important role in the successful cultivation of crops. In early days, monitoring and analysis of the plant disease was done manually by the expertise persons, which required tremendous amount of work and also excessive processing time. But we choose the MATLAB software to carry out the image processing technique, and this technique will increase the accuracy of work and also consumes very less time. Android app is used to operate the robot. RC robot can perform three mechanisms: robot movement, spraying mechanism, and live streaming. 300 RPM DC motors are used to provide the sufficient speed for the robot movement. These DC motors are controlled by the microcontroller unit. Motors are spun in both directions, that is clockwise and anti-clockwise, with the help of H-bridge circuit. By receiving the signal from the operator's smartphone, DC motors are turned on and off by enabling the particular pin on Arduino. This is the MATLAB software using which disease detection is done. First phase of the algorithm deals with separation of healthy crops from the affected one, and second phase concentrates on finding the disease on leaf. In order to find the disease on plants, we will have to follow 5 basic steps, that is image acquisition, pre-processing, segmentation, feature extraction, disease detection and classification. After capturing the image from the real world, captured image is loaded into the MATLAB software. Enhancement is a process of enhancing the visual quality of the images due to non-ideal acquisition system. Enhancement is carried out to increase the contrast. Segmentation is related to partitioning of an image into its constituent part. Here, the leaf is divided into a number of clusters. Not all the segments consist useful quantity of information. Hence, the patches that contain more than 50% of useful information is taken for the further analysis. The obtained values are compared with preloaded values of healthy leaves. Based on the difference in the values obtained by comparison, classification of disease is done. One can know the accuracy of the result by selecting the accuracy in percent. Each tank consists of one pump and one float sensor. Small diameter pipes are used to connect the pump and the spray nozzle. On receiving the signal to spray a particular pesticide, pump will lift the chemicals and spray it onto the plants via nozzle. Floating sensor used to indicate the level of pesticides inside the tank. Operator can know the pesticides level in Android app.